earlier this month. Even this dissimulation did not work for one happily married Christian couple with 3 children, with the entire family having non-Christian specific names. First up, Dawn's policy does not allow identification of the rape victim. First up, little did they know of the hell that lay in wait. First up, a sexual predator in their Islamabad neighborhood stalked the wife but was rebuffed by her. First up, with pistol in hand and with an accomplice, the man later entered their house and abducted her. First up, the police initially refused to register an FIR or recover her, eventually acting only under pressure. First up, 2 weeks later, the distraught and disoriented woman was shifted to a Darul Aman. First up, with severe visible bruises. She says she had been raped for a full 10 days. First up, the police refused the husband's request for a medical inquiry because, according to the signed evidence, she had converted to Islamabad, was now one of the abductor's wives. First up, this has made the problem infinitely more serious, since the woman cannot now legally revert to being a Christian. First up, that she signed the conversion document under duress may or may not matter. First up, the courts of course will have to decide. First up, but given the slowness of such trials, this may take from many months to many years. First up, meanwhile, the family is in hiding and the predator roams freely. First up, let us step back and reflect for a moment. In a population of 220 million, there are bound to be examples of wrongdoing. A wider judgment from any single example is unwarranted. First up, a more reliable guide is the extent to which people around demonstrate empathy